Hi, it's 15th April, and I had this urge to record this emotion that I'm feeling right now. I know this is trifle, I know this is not going to last, but felt like recording it. It's raining outside, and some way, somehow, I have taken rain as the substitute for memory lane. Every time it rains in the evening when I'm home, I have this urge or this tendency to ease my prefrontal cortex, let it stop overanalyzing and invite my hippocampus to start working. The realization of my inability to truly control that shift came long ago, but the slow acknowledgement of it has brought its own kind of calm. And today, on the fresh start of a new year, 2082, I feel this immense pleasure in observing both the inward and outward world. The nature outside is pouring. The windows of most homes are shut tight and few are being opened. I wonder if it's the force of the wind or the breeze that touched someone's soul. Someone trying to admire the brick nature has provided. Or maybe someone who is trying to live a moment, maybe just for a while. Now that my urge to speak has settled and my eyes are soaking in stillness, my olfactory senses have found the memory cues, bringing me back to the childhood. The petrichor has always revived me, made me feel fresh and calm down. Today, as I sat at home with my sister watching CID, and plenty of smells hitting my nose, some of soup, some noodles, some omelets. I miss home. I miss my mom and my childhood. Pleasant memories have started playing, only to be pulled back to the present by thunder rumbling. The green-collared house, the first house we lived in when we first came to the valley, the small yet significant corner of that city, that was mine. The outside world stayed strange, and that one room with my mom and sister was what I called home. My home. The mischievous thing I did with my brother, the teeny tiny candy shop we wandered into, and the hot and spicy snacks we used to have. My mom, aunt, brother, and me. I'm sure Suku was asleep then because I don't remember much of her from those moments. How fast time has flown. How fast. And somewhere along the way, I found my resting place near the window. And since then, it has stayed with me. No matter how many houses we built, sold, rented, or left, I always somehow found one corner with a window. A corner that gave me the space to wonder and wonder, to realize and reflect. And somehow, books came along with me. I started living many lives through characters. I met so many people and I lived so many lives. I met Rav, Hassan, Ivan, Kafka, Santiago, Anuradha, and so many others that my mind refuses to recall right now. The journey has been sometimes consistent, mostly stagnant. But recently, just recently, seeking that long forgotten hunger, I got back and lived a few more lives. I have Leila and Mariam with me for now. And my heart is filled with, I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is, but I'm okay with how this is. In the stillness of this rain and meeting myself, I am meeting myself again.